What you can see here is a reactive Python notebook that controls Blender. That's possible with a new Blender extension that I've just released. And this connects the software Blender with the free and open source reactive Python notebook called Marimo. So the first thing you do is you go to this website, Blender Extensions. That's my personal Blender extension store. And I drag and drop this thing into Blender. This is, by the way, a completely fresh Blender installation, version 5.1. And the first thing I allow online access. Now I drag this one again. And now it recognizes the extension store. So I say, okay, add extension store. Now I can install extensions from here. So I drag and drop it a third time. And now it asks me, okay, do I want to install Marimo? Yes, I want to do this. And now I have this new button here. And this panel has some options. The first one is install Python modules. So now it installs Marimo, which is a Python package. It installs this from PyPy. And after a few seconds, that's done. And I can start the Marimo server. So this is basically like a Python script, but with some more interactive elements in it. And here I have the first cell where I import the Blender module. And then I have here some slider definitions. And when I move these sliders, then these elements in Blender are updated. Because here I have, okay, I take the cube and I want to have the X value, Y value, and Z value. And I can control all these parameters. When I want to now import other modules, I can, for example, here type matplotlib pip install. And then after a few seconds, I can also import matplotlib here in this notebook. And I think there's like plenty of room to like play with UI elements like JavaScript, components, and do really interesting things. But this is only a setup video, and I'm looking forward to any ideas that you have, what you can do with this, and I might make other tutorials for this as well.